Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah. Hey YouTube, it's Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah. Here to talk about my 12 gauge GF2P pump action shotgun by GForce Arms. Yeah. I'm gonna conduct the cleaning today. I think it's that time. I need to get it clean, if you know what I mean. Showing you everything is empty. Nothing's in the chamber. Go ahead and twist off this nozzle. Right there. You can actually put a little choke in there if you were going hunting or whatnot. You can close it. You don't necessarily need a little button, a little lever right here. It's like right by the trigger guard. Press that down. Booyah. And it's out. Go ahead. You can take the barrel off. And go ahead and take this little piece off here. It fits in this little bracket right there. See? There's the bottom piece. So it guides on. No biggie. Back on. Alright. You got this piece here. It fits right up in there. Yeah. You can put it back on there. No problem. You just guide it in. Boom. Alright. So, this is my board cleaner for the shotgun. It's a little bigger than the rest. Yeah. Got the little handle at the side with the little weight on it. Let me get a towel. Yes, to me, this is considered an old t-shirt. What did I take? Wipe everything down. This may not even be that dirty. We'll see. Like to take good care, making sure everything is oiled and everything, you know what I mean? So everything just slide easy. Yeah, we're not gonna have too much dirt today, but that's okay. It's a good thing. Yeah. Gotta keep it clean. I always make sure I try to wipe all the, see, you didn't check that out. That's from pumping the shotgun, and you got the oil here and the grooves when you go ahead and tie the cap back on when you're done. I like to get all that. Okay, put the little weight through the bore first. And pull it down. It's tight, but that's good. Because you really wanted to scrape the inside of the surface. Check that out. Yeah. Of course, I use my Hopes 9. Right? With my CLP. Do a little CLP inside the bore. It's okay if it drifts down. Get it the other way. Yeah, if it doesn't drift down, it's okay. Oh yeah. It's one of my favorite parts, you know. Cleaning the gun is so awesome and relaxing. Cleaning the shotgun is so awesome and relaxing. To me. Not too many steps to it, which I love, because then you can just focus on getting the gun, shotgun, nice and oiled down. Yeah. I like to put a cardboard box down or something on the floor if you're going to be doing it on the floor. If you like doing it at the table, that's fine as well. Me, I like to just be in my own vibe, you know? Yeah. I'm just good with that. Go ahead and wipe this piece down. And another thing you can do is you can always take a picture as you take it apart so you'll know what goes where and how it was. Yeah. Even though I put that CLP on there, I still like to put a little oil. I don't want that metal, just dry metal rubbing against each other, you know? Know what I mean? Yeah. Make sure you take care of your stuff, and it'll take care of you. All right. I mean, that's basically it, you know? Nothing too crazy. And if you want to put this bar for the this bore cleaner for the 12 gauge, if you want to slide this through one more time, you can. Look at that. Yeah. And then you just slowly put everything back together once you have it all shined up. Make sure it line up. You're like, oh, don't go that way. Must go that way. All right. And you're gonna have two little points right here. Yeah. And then you're gonna stick them right in there. See? Go over the hump. Everything's attached. All right. Now this can be kind of tricky when you put the metal piece of the bore, or with the barrel. You gotta make sure everything's lined up. You're actually gonna line this piece up, this little piece right there. Twist it, get it in there. Here we go. All right, so everything is good. What I was doing is I was pressing on this little button by the trigger guard, so that when you push it down, it unleashes the lock in there. Once you got everything on there, you're good to go. Cock it down. Now I'm ready to put my nozzle back on. And that's it. There you go. Now you got a clean 12 gauge. See the little lever right here? Shotgun. Yes, sir. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah.